When you get finished here, please go check out our TikTok and Instagram. And while you're there, please give us a follow. Thank you. Hi, everybody. Devin here from Let's Head Out. We went to the Davie, Fort Lauderdale, Florida KOA Holiday. We did a little walk around. So yeah, let's head out. All right, so I just wanted to do a walkthrough of our cabin. That they called it a cabin. To me, it's more like a motel. They have a sign up in the bathroom that says motel. Pardon the mess. We're about to leave, so we're getting everything packed up. But this is the front door as you walk in, and this is the room. Mia's right over here eating some breakfast. So they have like a coffee. Well, we brought our coffee pot. That's our coffee pot. No coffee pot. They did have that has a sink, a refrigerator, freezer, and they do have some dishes in the cabinets. And then a microwave. We didn't bring the microwave. So they have a closet here with some hangers so you can hang stuff up, and the trash cans in the closet. This room is one of the bedrooms that's in this little motel, I guess. And in here, you got a little desk, a TV. You have another mini refrigerator, microwave, and sink in here as well. And then if you walk this way, there's another bedroom here. Every bedroom has a air conditioner. This bedroom has a sink, a closet, and then like a little nightstand kind of thing. And then the bathroom, as you walk in, has got a shower, toilet, sink. There's a door there. They have a little thing here that says keep the door locked. So yeah, there's some towels here. We hung a towel over the window because you could kind of see through the blinds, so I'm going to take that down here in a minute. So yeah. So that's the little walk around of our little motel room. Alright, so this is the walkway to the little motel thing. They have a playground here. And they also have this little picnic area here. And there's an area right here out the back side of the little motel thing with a grill and a table. And this is the cabin overlooking the pool. And they have like a little tiki bar out there. And this is the room here. Alright, so we're going to do a little walk around of the rest of the campground. Alright, so this is the campground. These are more of the premium sites here. They're on a corporate tab. Alright, so here's some more through here. And they have a little island here. The other day we walked around and there was some iguanas on the island, so I went and I videotaped some of them. There's still some sitting out there.
Well, there's a cabin.
There's a little cabin there. I would consider that a cabin.
I would too. Those are new, I guess they're getting rid of all the other ones.
They got a little Muscovy. Look at that iguana right there. He's just chilling on the bank. I don't know if they let people camp in that circle or not, but if they do, you'll have some buddies waiting on you there. There's a turtle right there. And another iguana, I think. There's several iguanas. 1, 2,
3,
4. There's 2 more right there.
Oh yeah, 3, 5. Those 3 are right there beside each other. Did you see the Muscovy duck?
I did see the Muscovy duck. I don't know if I can't remember if I got it on the video or not. But there he is right there.
I guess it's Muscovy.
Alright, we're just gonna keep walking around this way.
And another turtle.
That little pond is full of wildlife. So yeah, some more premium campsites. These are regular campsites, I think. Full hookup, I'm sure. Well, those might be premium too. They got a nice little tile area, but so it's like it's a pretty nice little campground. They have some bathhouses back there in the back. When we got here, the place that we stayed at wasn't exactly what we were expecting, but it was nice. It was clean. That's the main thing. So there's no Wi-Fi here. They do have a Wi-Fi, but it doesn't connect to anything. So if you're wanting to come and upload videos or things like that, you're out of luck. And there's not a whole lot of cell phone service here as well. So they have a bathhouse here for the tent sites. So we're just going to walk on down here, and we'll turn it back on when we get to this corner.
Dog park.
Yeah. So there is a dog park over here, Camp K9. Right there, just a little fenced-in area for your pooches. And then there are several sites back here, all full hookup, it looks like. See, we're gonna make a U-turn right here.
These are just the regular ones.
Yeah, they all have a nice little table and chair set up too.
Well, those do they?
I think they all do.
That looks nice.
So this is a rental, a cabin here, like a trailer, and there is another one there.
You watch your foot.
So yeah, that about wraps up our little, just our quick little walk around. It's not an overly big KOA. I have seen bigger ones, but it's nice, pretty nice. Here's the office here too. So yeah. All right, so that was our video. Thank you for watching. If you're watching our videos and haven't subscribed, please subscribe. With that and watching other videos are the best two ways for me to ask you to help support our channel. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. It really means a lot to my family and I, and to the future of our channel. If you would like to help us monetarily, there are a couple options in the description box below the video. One of those is buy me a coffee. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Please ring the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. And please give us a share as well. So like I said, I guess that wraps this video up. So until next time, let's head out together. See ya!